What's up, YouTube? Cougarfanmess back here. Gonna do another recap video of it was 2 boxes of the Goodwin Champions by Upper Deck 2011. So first card is a Nolan Ryan Black Border Mini, Lady Luck. This is the first box that I opened. I guess these are 1 per box, these silver minis. This one is Ramon Maria, must be a prospect or something in baseball. I don't know anything about him. Or, sorry, Ramon Morla. So anyways, that's that one. Then one of these die cut cards, Tyson Gay. Those aren't numbered, at least not the one that I got. Then just a base LeBron James. I'm sure these are pretty common. Michael Jordan, Cam Newton. Then I got a jersey or memorabilia card of Wayne Gretzky. It's an orange piece there. That's not numbered. Another memorabilia of John Tavares. Another orange piece. And then my autograph was Hunter Mahan, golfer. That's his signature right there. So that was the first box. Second box. Oh yeah, Joe Sakic. That's my silver mini, 1 per box. Then I got a Landon Donovan Black Border Mini. A couple more base cards, Tiger Woods, another LeBron. Then I got Mia Hamm, this die cut. Then my memorabilia card was Igor Larionov. Changing up the color, got a white one. Then I got an autograph of Janet Evans, old Olympic swimmer, right there. Nice autograph. And I got one of these Animal Kingdom. This one is the Blue Jay. I mean, it's a really beautifully stitched card, but I don't know how rare these things are. So just a manufactured Blue Jay Animal Kingdom card. So that's the recap for the 2 boxes of Goodwin. We'll be back with a 3-box recap of Gold Standard. Thanks, guys.